12 habits to make your car last over 500k miles without repairs. Most cars struggle to make it past 200,000 miles. The right habits, your car can easily cross 500,000 miles without major repairs. In today's video, I'm going to share 12 simple habits that can add decades of life to your vehicle and save you thousands in repair costs. Let's dive in. 1. Change your oil on time. Oil is the lifeblood of your engine. This one habit alone can double your engine's life. 2. Use quality fluids. Coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid. Don't cheap out. Low-quality fluids break down faster and cause wear on expensive components. Using the right fluids keeps everything running smoothly and prevents costly breakdowns. 3. Warm up your engine. Don't slam the accelerator the moment you start your car. Give it at least 30 to 60 seconds to circulate oil properly, especially on cold mornings. This simple practice reduces engine wear by a huge margin. 4. Drive smoothly. Aggressive driving, hard braking, and rapid acceleration put massive stress on your engine, transmission, and suspension. Drive smoothly, and your car will reward you with years of extra life. 5. Change your air and fuel filters regularly. Dirty filters restrict airflow and fuel supply, forcing your engine to work harder. Replacing filters is cheap, but ignoring them leads to expensive repairs. Always check them every 10 to 15k miles. 6. Keep your tires properly inflated. Low tire pressure not only wastes fuel, but also strains your suspension, steering, and wheel bearings. Check your tire pressure monthly. It'll save money and extend your car's life. 7. Don't ignore warning lights. That little check engine light is not just decoration. Ignoring warning signs turns minor issues into major, wallet-draining problems. A quick diagnostic scan can prevent thousands in repairs. 8. Use OEM or high-quality parts. When it comes to replacements, avoid the cheapest option. OEM or high-quality aftermarket parts last longer and fit better, reducing stress on surrounding components. 9. Keep it clean, inside and out. Washing your car isn't just about looks. Dirt, salt, and grime eat away at paint and cause rust. A clean engine bay also helps you spot leaks early. Cleanliness equals longevity. 10. Maintain your cooling system. Overheating is one of the biggest engine killers. Flush your coolant as recommended, and make sure your radiator, water pump, and thermostat are in good shape. A healthy cooling system means a healthy engine. 11. Listen to your car. Strange noises, vibrations, or smells are your car's way of crying for help. Catching problems early, like a bad bearing or loose belt, prevents catastrophic damage. 12. Regular professional inspections. Even if you're a DIYer, let a trusted mechanic inspect your car at least once a year. They'll spot things you might miss, saving you from future headaches. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with a fellow car owner, and don't forget to subscribe for more car tips that can save you money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.